want to tell everybody where we're going?
We're going to go see a man about a hearse. That's right. A man about a hearse. Not a man about a horse. A man about a hearse.
We're going to get donuts.
I want a hearse. So, we're going to go get one. Homer Simpson. It's going to be fine.
Church is closed today.
So, you know, most people go to church on Sundays and, you know, have a Sunday fun day, right? Like brunch until noon or, you know, floating in the pool. No, not us. We were strolling the internet for
It's getting red.
It's a red light. I'm gonna stop. For a hearse, because I would love to own a hearse and just drive around town in a big black beautiful 1969 hearse, and you know, just
and we live next to a retirement community, so there's plenty of clientele.
Even more reason to procure said item. So, you know, I don't know, the little touch of death following them everywhere around town. I mean, it's a dream of mine. Okay, it is. And he happened to find one on the internet, sent it to me. I said, oh, that's the one. Let's go look at it. And then this morning he's changing his tune. Oh, I don't know. No. We don't do that. We're going to look at said hearse.
I have a mild hangover from the margaritas yesterday. Plus, I have a storage issue. Not a big deal. We'll work through it.
There's not a storage issue. It's not a storage issue. It's gonna be fine. So as soon as I get him some donuts, maybe his disposition will change, and this adventure will be. Holy crap! With this, that bird was coming down to get us.
See, he's probably raining.
Disposition will change and he'll be a little more enthusiastic.
There's a donut shop up here.
Is that the only reason why you got out of bed this morning?
Yes.
And again, we're going to some random little tiny town in Texas that we've never been to, so it's always an adventure. Considering you could take all of Europe and put it in Texas, I mean, there's enough adventures here to last you a lifetime if you just go to every little town. And mind you, every little town in Texas has a name kind of like Europe. Like there's a Paris, Texas.
And
right?
Italy. And
there's an Italy, Texas.
Sweden, New Sweden.
I mean, it's crazy town here. Literally crazy towns. Sweetwater, Texas.
I don't think that's European, but that's fine.
No, but it's funny, especially when you say it like that, Sweetwater. Easy, Homer. Okay. When you get the pack, something pack that makes your muffler sound like, what's it called? Glass pack?
Glass pack.
Glass
yes.
pack.
You want a womp muffler is what you're saying?
I need that, and I need flamethrowers because I don't. How can you drive?
Would these be flamethrowers out of the front of the car or out of the back?
No, the back. Has to be the back. Like where you would open the door to put the casket. Like you're basically opening the gates to hell. You got to have flames. Like, I mean, why drive around in Death Mobile if you cannot have flames? What is the point? I'm gonna take goth prom goers to the prom in my fucking hearse, and I'm gonna open up the back and then I'm gonna slide them out. Get out, turn the flamethrowers on, blast pack vibrating, music, ministry as loud as you can, pull up, drop these kids off. Way better than a limousine.
So you're going to Uber, basically.
I'm going to Uber in my hearse, yes. But only for certain events. You know, like proms. How amazing is that?
Yeah, you want to stay in our lane there, Helen?
It's fine. I got it under control. It's fine. Flamethrowers. Blast packs. Got it? I'm definitely going to need some type of a hood ornament. And it's going to be like a screaming skull or something. It has to be like a wah! And then, like, when the wind goes through it, you know, like a deer whistle. When the wind goes through it, it makes a screaming noise. I'm going to need that. And then we might have to do some type of a custom signage on the... I got to need a pinstriping for sure.
Right.
And then we might have to have some custom signage on the side for the manor. I'm going to need 8-ball on my shifter for sure.
Alrighty. It would be the magic 8-ball. Are we going to die today, 8-ball?
No. That was not a sharp right turn. That was like I don't even I don't know what that's called. That was not a sharp right turn. That was a
I think that's called a
rubberneck.
U-turn.
It was besides a U-turn. It was like a beep beep. I don't know. But look, po-po's. I love that you spotted it from the highway. I was focused on the exit.
Right. Some of us navigate, some of us
don't navigate.
We're gonna be fine. We're 1 minute out.
I'm excited. We're trying to come up with a name. Oh, is this guy's place? Trying to come up with a name for it. I'm thinking Frankenwagon. Hearse? Oh wait, there it is. Holy shit. Okay, turn it around so they can see. These look like sketch. Why does he have another one?
Oh, he's got a pack of hearses. He's got 3 of them.
Where's the other one? Over there?
No.
Arizona.
Look at the taillights, look like little coffins.
Those are rad.
Primarily, wanting to get it running first before.
Right.
I know it's rough, but that's way you can't get look worse.
Oh, yeah.
But
So, we got bugged.
Oh shit. Whoa, what is this kind of fucking on-ramp? Holy shit, it's like a ride at Disneyland. We didn't get screwed. We saw a 1969 Hearse Cadillac, which was awesome. It was in need of a lot of work, but the price was totally cool. The problem was, as with any purchase, people are fucking crazy. This dude wanted cash only, and didn't want to let us pay him anyway via the interwebs because he doesn't do that. Being in 2024 almost, nobody has cash. Who has cash?
Well, we had cash, but we didn't have the access to get that much more cash out on a Sunday afternoon since we found the car at 9 o'clock last night. Yeah, we hadn't been planning.
We had, I feel like, enough cash to get a portion of it, but he wouldn't deal. No deals. Cash only. And P.S., I'm not going to give you all of this cash without me to drive the car off. I mean, he's supposed to deliver it. And it's like, why can't we just pay you when you deliver it? Take this cash now. We pay you when we deliver it. In cash. Nobody has that kind of cash. We have money, cannot get to it on a Sunday afternoon. Stupid. Anyways, literally because people are dumb, I'm not going home with a Hearse, which is fine. It's fine because you know why? I'll find another one, find a better one. The universe is speaking to me saying this is not your car, so it's fine.
And it's been personal experience when the universe says don't do something, you don't do it.
Yeah, it's usually right.
And right now the universe is talking tacos.
So we will press on and persevere, find a better opportunity with a better vehicle. Or maybe that guy will figure it out and he'll want to get rid of it and he'll want to make a deal. But right now he's being stupid. So we're going to go home. Maybe find some tacos and enjoy the rest of this Sunday afternoon.